Hey everybody, Blue here. So I was thinking about my fire kit and was wanting to consolidate it or revise it, I should say, because I had this tin in there and it would hold 2 ferro rods. Well, the ferro rods wouldn't fit in right, and I couldn't get anything else in there like a lighter or some other source of ignition to start a fire. And I really like these pouches from Possum Pouch Soft Goods. I did a review on it, so if you can go back and check that video. So I don't want to get away from the pouch instead of finding something that will, I already have the pouch and I have other containers to store tinder and fire starters in. So I have 2 ferro rods in the pouch, and with the tin in there, they just wouldn't close right. So, and the ferro rod fits in there without any, the tin was just too wide for everything to fit in there, and I just want to consolidate it to make it a lot more, comfortable to carry, because the flap wouldn't shut right. So what I just have in here is some char cloth, there's some poplar wood shavings, I got some flash tinder, there's some birch bark, I actually have another little ferro rod in there. So I could break this down into like 3 fire kits into one, and then if I need to, when I get out there, take one out, stick it in my pocket, or throw one in my haversack, whatever I need to do. But I want to be able to carry everything in one pouch, so I'm not storing it in separate areas. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to revise this, and I'll bring you back. It might take me an hour to revise it, but it'll be only seconds in the YouTube world. So stick with me. I'll bring you back to revise it here in a second. Alright everybody, I've revised my fire kit. Took the big round tin out, was able to get the ferro rod to be able to fit in there now. So it fits in there a lot better. I've got a lot of open space that I've opened up by moving the one tin. I have 2 Altoid tins in here now. So that's what it looks like. I've got all this open space in there. I can almost fit my fist in there. First thing I put in there, I added to it, was a Ziploc bag, so you can grab on the go. I can throw tinder in here, keep it dry, won't get wet, so when I get to wherever I need to go, I can start fire if I pass tinder that I need. Plus it's an extra way to carry water if I need to. So my ferro rods are in there. I carry 2 ferro rods because I can take one, throw it in my haversack, throw it in my pocket, have it on me, and then the other one is the one I use, my striker. The 2 Altoid tins with electrical tape, and then I got a Bic lighter with a piece of, I think there's about 12 inches of 1-inch Gorilla Tape on there. So I have the 2 Altoid tins. Give me 1 second, I'll open these Altoid tins, show you what's inside. Alright everybody, I'm back. There's only a few seconds for you of that. So I've got my tape off my Altoid tins, which waterproofs them. So in this Altoid tin, I've got 2 cotton rounds, some cotton that's been fluffed. There's some poplar shavings, birch bark, and a little bit of char cloth. And then I took put a piece of flint in there, okay, and that little ferro rod that I have, because I don't actually need a knife to. You just need a sharp edge to get spark off a ferro rod. The high carbon steel thing is a myth. You don't need it. You can actually use a piece of glass and that'll strike. Okay, and in this tin, I got a book of matches, a tea light, cotton round, and more char cloth. Okay, I'll probably take some char cloth to put it in there, but both of these tins have holes in them, so they're able to make char cloth in. So hey everybody, thanks for watching. This is my revised and reorganized fire kit. If there's anything that you think I should add, or maybe I didn't think of, leave a comment down below and I will respond to you and either explain why I didn't do that or thank you for giving me a good idea. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Follow us all along on this little journey we're doing. I appreciate everybody that watches, everybody that subscribes, everybody that likes, everybody that comments. So, till next time, enjoy the outside.